Tired of people commenting on your Instagram stories? Want to share content without getting unwanted messages or spam? In this video, I'll show you how to completely disable story comments in just a few steps. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, your go-to channel for expert social media tips and Instagram tricks. Step 1. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to manage. Next, look for the menu icon at the top right corner. Step 2. Tap the menu icon to open settings. Scroll down until you find comments and tap it. Here you'll see options for posts and stories. Select stories to manage who can comment. Step 3. To block specific people from commenting, tap Block People. Add users you want to restrict from commenting on your stories. To disable all comments, select Off. Now no one can comment on your stories unless you unblock them. Step 4. Go back to the Settings menu. Select Messages and Story Replies to manage direct replies. Tap Story Replies, then choose Don't Allow. This ensures nobody can reply to your stories in DMs either. Your Instagram stories are now fully protected from unwanted comments. You can share freely without worrying about spam or negative feedback. These settings give you full control over your audience interaction. Now you can focus on creating content that matters. That's all it takes to disable comments and story replies on Instagram. Control who interacts with your stories and keep your account safe from spam. Remember, managing privacy is key to enjoying Instagram without distractions. For more insider Instagram tips, stay tuned to Preyo Phonie.